So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, we gave you some new vent pipe. This is your existing pipe. It's dual wall B vent coming from the attic, and then of course it goes up through the roof. All this it's a dual wall pipe, two inner single wall and then an outer thicker wall. This is brand new, so a brand new piece of single wall pipe here, a little adjustable 90, little piece of pipe there, down to the draft diverter which comes with the unit. Up here we just gave you a brand new shutoff valve, cold water, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then a little brass nipple. Falcon stainless steel connector, 3/4 inch by 15 inch. These are ultra flexible and they're very large inside diameter, full 3/4, largest in the industry. Very expensive, but it's what we like, and that's what we use. Down to a brass extension on the water heater on the cold side. Hot side, we just tie into your existing pipe that's stubbed out of the wall. You can see it back over there. That's your pipe. Pipe is galvanized iron, and not fond of it, but that's what you have. So just tie it straight in. Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension again. Relief valve comes with the unit. This is a drain line only, so this is for temperature and or pressure relief. Something builds up in the unit and it'll pop this off. It's spring loaded, 150 psi, so it'll pop open and drain to a line that is right outside your garage door. Probably about 6-12 inches off the ground outside the garage door here. So this is not a water line, just a drain line. A little brass nipple coming over. We just had this on our nipple tray. You don't need to use brass. You can use galvanized iron pipe because it's not a potable water line. Again, it's a drain line. Falcon stainless steel connector. We just added a excuse me, 3/4 inch 90, 3/4 by 6 nipple, and then tied that in. So the drain line's in, vents in, brand new water piping up top. Here at the bottom you've got, or at the top you got adjustable strap at the upper third, adjustable strap at the lower third, and then we give you a brand new gas shutoff valve right there. Gas shutoff valve, brand new gas connector over to the regulator. Right now you've got this set. We have it set for you on hot. Hot is approximately 120 degrees. As you can read right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. We do not recommend raising the temperature. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. At B140, you got third degree burns, 3 seconds. If you're an infant or elderly, 1 second. So someone's going to the hospital. If you have trouble with if there's a brand new water heater, it's producing hot water at 120 degrees, and you got trouble, let's say at a single handle faucet or a tub shower or a standalone shower valve, in-wall valve with one handle, then probably it's just a cartridge issue, and just give us a call. We'll come out and be glad to take care of that for you, but I do not recommend turning this up. Hot water issues typically, unless the water heater's old or something's defective from the get-go, typically it's not the water heater, it's going to be a fixture in the home. So just be mindful of that. You know, we leave it here and document it, video document it just for liability purposes, so that's good. This is your serial number, model number. If you want to go to bradfordwhite.com at your convenience and register this, there's your serial number and of course full name, street address, all that. Get your warranty going on the product, that way they know where it's installed, and if you ever need work on it, they'll know that the water heater's been sitting here since today, which I believe is the 28th of December. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.